What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the screen colors on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on modes and routines. Now from here tap on sleep and make sure the sleep mode is turned off. And after turning off sleep mode, if it doesn't fix your screen colors, then go back and then scroll down and click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on VN enhancements. Now in VN enhancements, if you have enabled color inversion, then disable this feature. So if you have enabled it, then tap on this button to disable. But disabling color inversion, if it doesn't fix your issue, then tap on color adjustment, and if you have enabled color adjustment, then disable it. And after that, if you are still facing the issue after disabling color adjustment, then go back and click on color filter, and from here turn off color filter button on the top. And after all these solutions, your screen colors will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.